Today we are going to learn Runge-Kutta fourth order method, that is RK fourth order method. This is very much similar to the Euler's method and it is applicable to solve the ordinary differential equation of the type dy by dx is equal to function x comma y. Initially the value of x as x0 is given and y as y0 is given. For these two values you have to find the value of y1, that is x is equal to x1 is equal to x0 plus h at x1 is equal to x0 plus h. This method is most accurate method to obtain the solution of ordinary differential equation and simultaneous differential equation. Only the difference is that as it is fourth order, therefore there are four weights as k1, then k2, then k3 and then k4. First step is to find out the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4. Here k1 is equal to h into function x0, y0. Second weight, that is k2, is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2. Third value, that is k3, is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 by 2. And fourth one is hf of x0 plus h y0 plus k3. Now first step is to find these four weights, that is k1, k2, k3 and k4. The second step is to find the weighted mean. Weighted mean, it is denoted by k, and formula for k is equal to 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Now last step, that is to find the value of y1. Now y1 is equal to, that is yg is equal to y0 plus this weighted mean. Therefore y1 is calculated as y0 plus k. This is applicable for first iteration. Now for the next iteration we have to replace the value of x0 as x1 and y0 as y1. Then find again new x1 as x0 plus h. Likewise repeat the procedure until the last value of x, that is xg, and find the various values of y1, y2, y3, y4. Now let us solve one example. The example is solve dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square. The condition is y of 0 is equal to 0. Calculate y of 0.2 and y of 0.4. Now given the ordinary differential equation is given as dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square. Subjected to condition y of 0 is equal to 0. It means that x of 0 is equal to, y of x is equal to 0. It means that x0 is equal to 0 and y0 is equal to 0. This is the initial values. Y of x is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0, x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0. These are the initial values. Calculate y of 0.2 and y of 0.4. The last value of x is 0.4. Therefore, xg is equal to 0.4. If we observe the values of x, initially x is 0, then y of x, second value is 0.2, then y of x, that is 0.4. 4. Therefore, final value of x as xg is equal to 0.4 and step size is 0.2, that is h is equal to 0.2. Here you have to find the value of yg when xg is equal to 0.2 and xg is equal to 0.4 with step size h is equal to 0.2. Now step number 1 is to calculate the number of iterations. It is calculated by using the formula n, that is number of iterations, is equal to xg minus x0 divided by h. Here xg is equal to 0.4, x0 is equal to 0 and h is 0.2. Therefore, number of iterations are 2. It means that you have to solve this problem up to 2 iterations. Now iteration number 1. Iteration number 1. For this iteration, initially the value of x as x0 is equal to 0. y0 is equal to y0 and xg is equal to x1, that is x0 plus h is equal to 0 plus 0.2 is equal to 0.2. Now step number 1, calculate the various values of k, that is k1, k2, k3, k4. As we know that the first weight, that is k1, is calculated by using the formula h into f of x0, y0. Our function is x square plus y square. Therefore, h is equal to 0.2 into x0, 0, y0 is equal to 0, 0 square plus 0 square. Therefore, k1 is equal to 0. Now, second weight, that is k2. k2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, comma y0 plus k1 by 2. Similarly, h is 0.2, x0 again 0, h is 0.2 divided by 2 bracket square plus y0 0, k1 is 0 by 2 bracket square. It is equal to 0.002. Now third value, that is k3. k3 is equal to, the formula is h f of x0 plus h by 2, comma y0 plus k2 by 2. Just put the values. H is equal to 0.2, x0 again 0, h is 0.2 divided by 2 bracket square plus y0 is 0 and k2 is equal to 0.002 divided by 2 bracket square, and therefore k3 is equal to 0.002. Now the last value is k4 and it is calculated as h into f of x0 plus h, comma y0 plus k3. H is equal to 0.2. Our function is x square plus y square. Therefore, x0 is 0 plus h is 0.2 bracket square plus y0 is 0 plus k3 is 0.002 bracket square. Therefore, k4 is equal to 0.008. Now, here we have calculated the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4. Now, step number 2 is to find the weighted mean. And it is calculated as k is equal to 1 by 6, k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Just put the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4. You will get k is equal to 0.002667. Now, last step, that is step number 3, is to calculate the value of y1, that is yg. We are having formula y1 is equal to yg, which is equal to y0 plus k. Here y0 is equal to 0. For first iteration y0 is 0 plus k is 0.002667. Therefore y1 is equal to 0.00267. That is, after first iteration the value of y1 is equal to 0.00267. When initially x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to 0.2. Now iteration number 2. Now for the iteration number 2, we have to replace the value of x0 and y0. That is, replace x0 by x1 and y0 by y1. Here for first iteration x1 is equal to 0.2. Therefore x0 becomes 0.2. and replace y0 by y1. Here y1 is equal to 0.002667. Therefore y0 becomes 0.002667. Now new value of x1 is equal to x0 plus h. For second iteration, x0 is 0.2 plus h is 0.2, that is 0.4. Now here you have to find the value of y2 or yg when x0 is equal to 0.2, y0 is equal to 0.002667 and x1 is equal to 0.4. Again repeat the same steps. That is, step number 1 is to calculate the various values of k. First value is k1. K1 is equal to, use the same formula, h into f of x0, y0. h is 0.2, function is x square plus y square. Therefore x0 is this x0, 0.2 square plus y0 is 0.02667 bracket square. Therefore k1 is equal to 0.008. Now second value k2. K2 is equal to h into f x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2. Here again h is 0.2, x0 is 0.2 plus h is 0.2 by 2 bracket square plus y0 0, k1 is 0.08 divided by 2 bracket square. Therefore k2 is equal to 0.018. Now third value is k3. k3 is equal to again h of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 by 2. Now h is equal to again 0.2, x0 is 0.2, h is 0.2 by 2 bracket square plus y0 is 0.002667 plus k2 is 0.018 divided by 2 bracket square, and it is equal to 0.01802. Now the last value is k4. k4 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h, y0 plus k3. h is again 0.2, x0 is 0.2, h is 0.2 bracket square plus y0 0.002667 plus k3 is 0.01802 bracket square. Therefore k4 is equal to 0.0320. Now step number 2. Step number 2 is to find the weighted mean, and the formula is k is equal to 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Therefore k is equal to 1 by 6. Just put the values of k1, k2, k3 and k4. You will get k as a 0.01867. Now final step, that is find the value of y2, that is yg, for iteration number 2 using formula y0 plus k. Therefore y2 is equal to yg is equal to, for second iteration y0 is equal to 0.002667 plus k is 0.01867. Therefore y2 is equal to 0.02134. It means that after second iteration the value of y2 is equal to 0.02134. Therefore finally, after the first iteration, when xg is equal to 0.2, the value of yg is equal to 0.002667, and after second iteration at xg is equal to 0.4, the value of yg is 0.02134.